Good morning. So this is the last video on aldehydes and ketones, challenging problems and the compulsory question. These are the compulsory questions in examinations. There is a possibility in IIT-G advanced level, main and even NEET exams also. So carbonyl. So again, I am going to top 20 challenging questions. The first one is, for example, the first question, for example, this is the a carbonyl compound, and so this is the carbonyl compound. We know that 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 2 comma 5 diketone, and in presence of a dilute base. So what is the product? And the second step is H3O plus. So what are the products can be expected? So because you can see here, this is alpha hydrogen and this is also alpha hydrogen. So there are two types of product, but 5-membered ring is the most stable. And so what is the product? So this is the 5-membered ring cyclization, and CH3 here and OH here, and because of acidic hydrogen here, and there is a because of this beta hydroxy carbonyl compound, dehydration of beta hydroxy, and gives the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. And this is the a very good, very a very important example, so that we have to predict that, because the stability of cyclic rings are very important, and the 6-membered ring and 5-membered ring and 4-membered ring. So that's why the 5-membered ring is stable. The second question, the same question, the now the chain length is increased and to this like this. So the same dilute sodium hydroxide, first step, second step, H3O plus. So what is the answer? So what is the answer here? Now the answer is that the now the a 6-membered ring. So now here you can see that this is the carbonyl carbon and this is the CH3, and so here CH3 and here OH will be there, and because of hydrogens here and dehydration, so it gives the a 6-membered ring, CH3 and C double bond. So in this case a 6-membered ring is formed. The 6-membered ring is very excellent, highly stable compound. So this is the and third one. Third question. So there is a possibility of, so 1 2 3 4 C double bond O CH3. So in this case there is a possibility of both 5-membered ring and 7-membered ring. So that's why very you can see here. So very good example. This is the like this, and 1 2 3 4 5, so that there is a possibility of 5-membered ring. So like that, and you can see here there is a OH and CH3 and C double bond O and CH3. So here, because of this is the carbonyl and adjacent hydrogen is there, acidic hydrogen, and loss of water. So loss of water, and so that it gives the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. But the interesting is that this is the 5-membered ring. This is 5-membered ring. So but another possibility is there. For example, this carbonyl carbon and converted to like this. So this is the intramolecular aldol condensation reaction, so that you can see that there is a possibility of, now in this case, if is a possibility 7-membered ring. So 7-membered ring is possibility. So like that. So this is the carbonyl, and here is the active methyl, and here OH, and here CH3, and this is the beta hydroxy. Always you have to think that this is the beta hydroxy compound, and further the losses water, and it gives the, so what is the product now? The 7-membered ring. So C double bond O and CH3. So very good example. So you have to verify that what is the option in examination they have given. So based on the option, we have to go for the selection of the answer. And another one, the fourth question, the very important fourth question. For example, C double bond O and CH2 like that is there. So in presence of a dilute base followed by H3O plus. So in this case you can see here carbanion will form and this nucleophilic addition reaction. So in this case, so 1 2 3 4 member, 1 2 3 4, and here 1 2 3, yeah. So yes, another CH2, because in this case there is a possibility of 4-member ring. So 4-member ring is there, and you can see here OH and CH3, and this is the carbanion formation, and yeah. Yes. Yeah. Here is the carbonyl carbon. So here once it will form a carbanion, so that nucleophilic addition, so like that. So now this is the compound, and here you can see that this is the alpha hydrogen and losses of water, so it will form a alpha beta carbonyl compound. So this is the right answer. You can see that there is a conjugation here, and so O minus and CH3. So we have to verify the options, what options they have given in examination. So based on option we have to select the answer. And so another, so fifth one we'll see. So fifth question. So for example, this is the cyclic ketone, and so then so dilute sodium hydroxide followed by H3O plus. So what is the answer? So the answer is that because here this carbanion will form and cyclization and dehydration reaction, so that the product is a bicyclic compound, and C double bond O, and here hydrogens are there, losses of water, so it will form a cyclic alpha beta unsaturated compound. So this is the A product, and after dehydration this is the B product. And sixth one, so for example extended the same example, C double bond O and CH3. So same, what is the dilute sodium hydroxide in first step, and second step H3O plus. So what is the product? So same reaction, and this is the cyclic ring, and here CH3 is there, and this is the C double bond O, and so here OH will be there. So then what will form? Because of adjacent carbonyl acidic hydrogen and losses of water, it loses condensation, so it will form a alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. So these are the correct answer. This is the A option, and this is the B answer. So what are the two products they will ask in examination? So you need to, students must be identify what are the two products obtained in the reaction. So another one, so first we will go, then so this is the 7-membered ring, and this is the, for example, here C double bond 1, C double bond O. So in this case, what is the answer? So dilute OH minus and H3O plus. So here best example, here it will form a carbanion and it will form like this. So that is the ring size is 1 2 3 4 5 and another one is a 7-membered ring. So one is the 6-membered ring and another one is a 7-membered ring, like that. So one is the 5-membered ring and you can see here like that, and here OH will be there. So that once, yeah, so it will form like that, and C double bond O, yeah. So here OH will be there, have hydrogen, so loses water molecule, so the product is C double bond O, like that. So now this is the correct answer. So very best example and very interesting. We have to very carefully see that one is the 5-membered ring, and so then how to easily you can identify the adjacent carbonyl methylene is active and other side OH will be there. So easily this is beta hydroxy, this is the alpha position and this is the beta position. So at beta position this is alpha and beta. So just I told, right, alpha position you have to add hydrogen and beta position add hydroxy group. So this is the and 8. So then easily you can identify. So for example, so this is the compound and what are the reactants. So this is the alpha position and this is the beta position. Alpha position hydrogen, beta position oxygen. So what are the reactants here? You can see that C double bond O and C, yeah. So this is alpha position, and alpha position we have to add hydrogen, and beta position hydrogen. So this is the correct answer. Then the 9th question, for example, C double bond O and like this is there, and what are the reactants? This is alpha, beta, hydrogen and oxygen. So that CH3 here and C double bond O and CH2 CH3. So this is the answer. And question number 8, for example, now 6-membered ring. So now 6-membered ring is they have given, and what is the reactant? So now this is alpha position and this is the beta. So alpha add hydrogen, beta add oxygen, so that this is the, so like that. So this is the 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is the correct answer. So 9th one, so alpha, beta and CH3, and what are the reactants? You can see that here just alpha position and this is beta, alpha add hydrogen, beta oxygen. So this is the C double bond O and C double bond O and CH3. So this is the correct answer. So another one, cross aldol reaction, 9th, for example, benzaldehyde. So yeah, benzaldehyde and reaction with propanaldehyde and dilute NaOH. So what are the product here? So products is and CHOH, CH3 and CHO, and further heating it loses water molecule and it produces the, so benzene, alpha, beta unsaturated CHO. So this is called crotonaldehyde, cinnamaldehyde. This is called cinnamaldehyde. So this one cinnamaldehyde, so reduction by using of zinc amalgam and HCl. So what is the product here? So yeah, so only carbonyl compounds become CH3, and further reaction with HCl, so what will form? So electrophilic addition reaction, CH2 and CH3. So different functional group can be easily you can see here, this is the product here. And for example this one hydrogen, so NH2 OH minus, for example same compound we can use the zinc amalgam and hydrochloric acid, we will get this product, but Wolff-Kishner reduction selectively reduce only alpha beta this carbonyl compound to CH3. So this is the right answer. Thank you.